Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. And in this video I will tell you and show you how to allow Facebook Messenger app to access photos. Be sure, friends, put your likes under the video, write your comments, also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And let's get to our topic. Now I will show you everything in detail. When you open the Facebook Messenger application on your device, and you want to send someone an image from your gallery, but you are told that you don't have access to photos, then I will show you how you can enable such access. It's actually very easy to solve this problem. To do this, you will need to open the settings on your iPhone. After that, please scroll down and select the Privacy and Confidentiality option. Next, scroll through this option and find Photo. And here you will see a list of different apps that are given access to your gallery photos. Find Messenger here, and if you have the option to not give permission enabled like me right now, then switch to the full permission option. This way you give the Facebook Messenger app access to your photos. Next, please go back to Settings and go to Screen Time. Scroll down. Open Privacy and Content Permission. And if you have this option enabled, then you can either go to the Photos section. Also find Messenger. Enable access. Also, there is still an option how you can allow Messenger access to photos. To do this, scroll to the very bottom. Find the app. Next, click on the search bar, enter Messenger. Open it. Here you will need to go to the Photos section and enable such access. That's the way, friends, you can quickly and easily allow the Messenger app to access your gallery photos. Hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon, friends.